The 8th Judicial District Court CASA program is in urgent need of volunteers. CASAs as court-appointed special advocates for local children who might be in tough situations.
Here to teach us more about the program are Richard and Andrea Meltzler, who are CASA volunteers themselves. Good morning to you both.
Good morning, guys.
Good
Pleasure
morning.
to be here. Thanks for having us.
We're grateful to have you here. Thank you for the work you do as well for the program. For those who aren't familiar with how CASA works, and someone obviously is wanting to listen in the studio right now and put down all their stuff to pay attention. What is the work you do? How does the program operate, and how do you fit into that structure?
Go ahead.
Well, what a CASA volunteer will do is coordinate with all the different parties involved with the child in foster care, focusing all of our attention, or the majority of our attention, on the actual child who is in foster for whatever reason. So we build that relationship with them through outings and doing special events with them, and then we coordinate with their foster families, their DFS court worker, a judge, and any other parties that may be involved in their caregiving and activities in daily life.
You're there as a support system, an additional layer of support for the children.
Sure.
Absolutely.
One of the most important things is, with all those parties that got mentioned, there's not one person that is solely appointed by the court just to advocate just for the child and just for what they need. And that's what a court-appointed special advocate does. They have the child's interests at heart.
It's a very, very impactful role that you guys play, and it's interesting too because you're a couple doing this. So what has this been like, volunteering as a couple and taking on such an impactful role?
Sure.
Well, we're on our first case together. I joined CASA in 2016, and I think, Richard, you came in at 2020,
yeah.
So we've been working independently for a little bit, and just in the past year we've had our first case together. So it's been great.
Yeah, it's a wonderful, we have 3 kids, so we get to, a lot of child management and time skills came into play there to work out to be on the same CASA case as well. So,
I just want to quickly ask a very short question before a real question. When do you find time for yourselves with 3 kids and volunteering with CASA as well? I mean, you guys are like just killing it.
It is definitely something, that you have to make time for, but I don't, people out there who are interested in the program, don't get scared away.
Yeah.
You can do it.
I'm just impressed.
Yeah.
I'm just impressed by the volunteer work. More importantly, you mentioned briefly, like some of the trips and stuff you do with the kids. The CASA volunteer program, what other kind of things do you do on a regular basis with the children?
So a large part is going and seeing the children, spending time with them, but it also involves being their advocate when there's a hearing for court. So you're there. It's kind of a cool setup. You go to court. There's the lawyers. There's people in the back, and then there's a stand at the front, like if you're a witness stand. But that's where the CASA sits, and they are the advocate. They tell the judge what they think on behalf of the court. So it's a really great opportunity to advocate for those kids.
And obviously we're talking about such pivotal roles that this plays, even as a volunteer for CASA. What is the process of becoming a CASA volunteer? What sort of things would you tell people to consider or think about if they were interested in joining?
Well, firstly, I would say that being a CASA is for anyone and everyone, whether you're retired or you're a family with kids in the house still, or you're a single individual. Anybody can do this and anybody can be fulfilled. But as far as the nuts and bolts of the process, you will go onto our website, casalasvegas.org, fill out an application. You'll get a call back pretty quickly. There's an interview and a background check. And once you're approved and everything is good, you'll go to a class that I believe is about 30 to 40 hours at this point. So it takes about 6 weeks to go through all of that education, and then you're assigned your first case, and you're good to go.
I can see, by the way, the fact that you guys are in studio with us right now advocating for it and telling us about it, how much it's impacted your lives and how important it is for you. You've been doing it for 7-8 years, for 4 years. Right. So clearly it's a great system that you get so much enrichment out of. What would you say to our viewers at home is the most rewarding aspect of what you do and why you keep on coming back to do it year after year?
I would say the most rewarding for me has been maintaining those relationships even after my children my foster kids that I advocate for have gone on to permanency. So we still maintain a relationship, and they're in their early adulthood, they're in college, and they're doing great. And I think that's been
Sure. And you know, my first case, I saw a child who wasn't doing well in the system, and to see him, he got adopted out. He is thriving. He is on a whole new trajectory in his life, and that was incredible to be part of and to play a small part of that.
You guys are heroes.
It's wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.
It's a rewarding volunteer opportunity, so sign up to be a CASA today. It's just 2 hours a week. To learn more, go to casalasvegas.org.